Hey, Cash. Why don't you come over here for a minute?
Okay.
Why don't you go into the kitchen? Do you remember Mr. Matthew?
Uh-huh.
He came by my work yesterday and he got me a surprise to give to you.
You did?
Yeah, he gave me a surprise to give to you.
Ooh.
Would you like to see what it is?
Uh-huh.
Why don't you open that big blue box that's in front of you?
Hmm. Ah! Whoa! A radio toy? An Eevee toy! This... Wow!
What do you have? What is that?
Squirtle.
Who else is in there?
A word turtle, a Blastoise, a Arbor, a Meow, a Raichu, and a Pikachu, another Squirtle, and a toy. Take a picture of this.
I'm taking a video of the whole thing.
Hitmonlee, a Jolteon, a Voltorb top, fun, a Togepi, cute, a Chansey, a Rhyhorn maybe, a Jigglypuff, a Gengar. Oops, I got that. A Rattata. Another Pikachu, just like the same one. A Kadabra. A Metapod, a Poliwag.
Okay, hey, why don't you look up at me and take a break real quick? Why don't you say something to Matthew?
Matthew, thank you for all the Pokemon plus this Mew toy.
Are you so excited?
Yes, I love them all. I do go. OMG. Oh, Mewtwo. Thank you very much for this Mewtwo. A member of Team Rocket. James. Vaporeon, a Mewtwo in the ball, a Pikachu in the ball, and a Flareon in the ball. A Drowsy, a Sandshrew, Sandslash, Butterfree, Wigglytuff, Pidgey, Hemnot, maybe, a Venusaur, and a Bulbasaur. Dragonite, Hitmonlee, Rowlet, Poliwag, Psyduck, Poliwhirl, the Staryu, Sandshrew, a Eevee, And another Gengar. Gyarados, Golduck, and Noto. Maybe. Yeah. What's supposed to go here?
I don't know. I think that maybe James lives on that.
Maybe so.
That's how he probably stands up.
Oh, yeah. Ding. Thank you for all this stuff. I really liked them. And I really loved the Blastoise and the Mewtwo. Bye. And yes, this is my Pikachu costume, if you were wondering.
What kind of shirt are you wearing underneath your Pikachu? Is that Pokemon too? Oh no, Mario Kart.
Mario Kart 7.
Oh, okay. Bye-bye.